Are you a couple looking to invest in the property market and are looking for the best tax breaks possible? Well, if one of you is earning the majority of the income, ownership may not be as clear-cut as you think. Keep watching because I'm about to show you a couple of great strategies that you can employ to get the most tax back into your pocket. Hi everybody, Josh Masters here. The other day I was doing a strategy session with a couple where the wife was pregnant and about to leave work indefinitely, and the husband was on the highest income tax bracket, so he was taking the majority of the tax payments. And when I asked whose name the property should be owned in, they replied, well, naturally we're going to split it, right? It should be equal. Now, I will preface this and say I'm not an accountant, and for your specific circumstance, you need to get specific advice from your accountant or financial planner. But one of the great things about owning property, among other things, is the great tax advantages you can get from it. As a general rule though, the tax breaks will go to the person earning the highest income. If you're not earning an income, then that advantage can be wasted. So if you're looking to get the most out of the tax break, the asset needs to be predominantly owned by the highest income earner. Now that doesn't necessarily mean that the partner can't have a say in ownership. And in fact, using a tenants in common situation, which is something you need to talk to your solicitor about when you're signing the contract for a property, can be a great way to split ownership however you decide. So if you are looking to get the best tax minimisation out of your situation when you're owning property, make sure you're consulting your accountant and your solicitor to get the best tax break apportioned to the highest income earner, and make sure you're both happy with the ownership situation. Now, if you have any questions around this, please drop me a line or leave a comment below. You've been watching me, Josh Masters, on The Ladder.